Hello friends, this video on electrochemistry part 21 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now we'll take some numerical. The question says the resistance of a conductivity cell, this is my conductivity cell, filled with 0.1 mole KCl is 100 ohms. If the resistance of same cell filled with 0.02 mKCl is 520 ohms, that is, let's suppose this is 0.1 mKCl and this is 0.02 mKCl, right? So this is my 100 ohms and this is my 520 ohms. This is what given, right? 0.1 mKCl 100 ohms, 0.1 mKCl 100 ohms, 0.02 KCl 520 ohms. Calculate the conductivity and the molar conductivity of this solution. We have to find conductivity and molar conductivity of this solution. The conductivity of this solution, the 0.1 m solution, is given to be 1.29. The conductivity is given is to be 1.29 Siemens per meter. Please note the unit, this is Siemens per meter. So one thing to note is, since they are two same conductivity cell, one thing that will be common in both will be cell constant. It will be same for both this constant cell, that is nothing but L by A. That will be same for both these cells. So if I can find cell constant for this cell using these values, the same cell constant I can use in this cell, I can find other values. Correct? So I know that conductivity is nothing but rho L by A. Sorry, resistance is nothing but rho L by A. Correct? It's nothing but 1 by conductivity L by A. And that is nothing but 1 by conductivity G star, because G star is nothing but L by cell constant. Correct? So I know this relation, these all are same actually, right? Or I can also say rho into G star. This is one formula. So in this case, my resistance is given 100 ohms. This is given. And this is what? Conductivity, right? This is K. So K is given, so that means this formula is of no use to me, this formula is of no use to me, right? Because this is a resistivity. Conductivity is given in these two formulas, and I have to find the cell constant G star. So let me use this formula. That is R is equal to 1 by K into G star. So let me put the values. Resistivity is 100 ohms is equal to 1 by K. K is given, this is K, sorry, this is K. Because I have to find conductivity. You have to find conductivity. 1 by K, and K is given here 1.29 S per meter. Correct? And this is equal to into G star. So you solve this, you get G star as nothing but 100 ohms into 1.29 Siemens per meter. Right? Meter small m. Siemens into ohms is 1, because I know that Siemens is nothing but per ohms. So when you solve this, you get 129 per meter. That is my value of cell constant, 129 per meter. But they are not asking for this. What they are asking? They are asking now for this solution, this second conductivity cell, I have to find the value of this conductivity and lambda. So I can use the same formula. R is equal to 1 by K into G star, right? For this is cell 2 and this was for cell 1. Assuming this is my cell 1 and this is my cell 2. So for cell 2, same thing. For cell 2, resistance is given 520 ohms is equal to 1 by K, I don't know. To G star is something I know, 129 per meter. So you solve this, you get K as nothing but 129 per meter by 520 ohms. You solve this, you get 0.4248. 1 by ohm is nothing but Siemens and per meter is there. So this is my conductivity. Pretty easy. The next thing is I have to find the molar conductivity of this cell. So I know my molar conductivity is nothing but K by C, that is conductivity by concentration, right? So here what is my conductivity? Conductivity is 0.248 Siemens per meter. So since it is in Siemens per meter, I have to write the concentration in moles per meter cube. Please note, I have to write in moles per meter cube. But I know the concentration in moles per liter. Correct? So I know that the concentration is 0.02 moles per liter. And that is nothing but 1000 into 0.02 moles per meter cube. Why? Because 1 liter is nothing but, if you see, 0.1 meter cube. See, 1 liter is nothing but 10 centimeter cube or 0.1 meter cube. So if you see 0.1 meter cube, see 1 liter is nothing but 10 centimeter cube, and 10 centimeter is nothing but 0.1 meter, and that is nothing but 0.0001 meter cube. Right? So liter I can replace 1 liter with 0.001 meter cube. So you replace liter with 0.001 meter cube, that is nothing but you multiply, because liter is in a denominator, it means you multiply the whole thing with 1000. Correct? See, if you are confused, I can show you here. So this is clear, right? 1 liter is nothing but 0.001 meter cube, right? So I can write this C as, let me write somewhere here, 0.2 moles. Instead of per liter, I'll write 0.0001 meter cube. And that is nothing but, if you solve this, it's nothing but you have to take this up. This is nothing but 1000 into 0.2 moles per meter. Correct? And that's what we have done. 1000 into 0.02, actually it's 0.02. So we saw that this is nothing but 20 moles. 0.02 into 1000 is nothing but 20 moles per meter cube. So this becomes 20 moles per meter. I hope you understand. See, just if you have to write in meter, just say 1 liter is nothing but 0.1 meter cube, that is 0.001. That's all, and everything will be taken care. Sorry, there will be 20. Yeah, 0.1 cube is this is 20 here. Yeah, 0.1 cube is nothing but 0.201. Yeah. So you solve this, you get 124 into 10 to the power minus 4 Siemens meter square per mole. Right? Because this meter per meter and meter cube, one of the meter will get cancelled, and you get this as the answer of molar conductivity. If you want, you can find the same solution in centimeter also here. So in that case, what you will get is 124 Siemens centimeter square per meter. You can actually directly convert here. See, 1 meter is something but 10 centimeter, right? It's 100 centimeter. So you say this 1 meter, you replace 1 meter square with 100 centimeter square. Correct? So just replace that. So you see that you have to multiply this with 100 centimeter square, 100 square, that is 10 to the power 4. So 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 4, you get 1. You can directly do the calculation. It's a simple math actually. The next question is the electrical resistance of a column of 0.05 mole per liter NaOH solution of diameter 1 centimeter and length 50 centimeter is this value. This is the resistance. We have to find the resistivity, conductivity and molar conductivity. So this is my solution, and this column, this is 0.05 mole per liter. This is my 0.05 moles per liter NaOH. Diameter is 0.5, diameter is 1 centimeter. That means area, if I want to find, area is what? Pi r square. R becomes 1 by 2 centimeter square. This becomes my area. Length is what? Given 50 centimeter. Please note everything is in centimeter now here. And resistance is given 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 ohms. So resistance is 5.5 in 5 into 10 to the power 3 ohms. And we have to find resistivity, that is rho. We have to find resistivity, conductivity, that is K, and molar conductivity, that is lambda. Correct. The formula we know resistance is rho L by A. Resistance is given, rho is resistivity we to find, length is given, A is given. Let's put all the values. R is nothing but 5.55 into 10 to the power 3 ohms is equal to resistivity into length is 50 centimeter by area, that is pi into 0.5 square. Pi is, I can write 3.14. So you solve this equation, you get resistivity as 87.1, 87, resistivity as 87.135 ohm centimeter, because there is an ohm here and this is centimeter square, gets cancelled. So you'll get ohm centimeter. This is the resistivity. If you want to find conductivity, please note this was resistivity. Conductivity is kappa is nothing but 1 by rho, right? So this becomes 1 by rho, and rho is, we have calculated, 87.135 ohm centimeter, and this comes out to be 0.00148. 1 by ohm becomes Siemens, centimeter becomes per centimeter. This is my conductivity also I have found, right? I found conductivity, I found resistivity. Now I have to find molar conductivity. That is nothing but K by C. So what is the value of K? 0.0148 Siemens per centimeter, right? Now I have to find C, the concentration I have to find in now moles per centimeter cube. Now what I know is moles per liter, correct? So let me first find that value. So concentration I know is 0.05 moles per liter. So 1 liter is nothing but 10 centimeter cube, correct? This is nothing but 0.05 by 1000 mole per centimeter. So let's put the values here. 0.05 by 1000 mole per centimeter. So if we solve this, you get to 9.6 Siemens, and this becomes centimeter per centimeter, centimeter cube, one gets cancelled, it becomes centimeter square per mole. And that's my answer. Just take care of the units and you will easily get the answers. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch more videos, attempt free online tests, get free study materials, find tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.